Okay, it is also a reasoning question. In this, we will be discussing about the coding with numerical digits. Okay, and if you look at this question, just try to solve this and tell me the answer. Option, which option? I think I am audible. Option A. Okay, we'll see. P 16. They have given 16. A1, C3, and E5. Straightforward question. It says that just they have taken these numbers, right? So you need to find for race 18, only one option. So answer is it. Okay. But since you have got none of the above, better to solve for all the letters. So it is 18, 1, 3, and 5. 18, 1, 3, 5. This is the answer. Okay, see the next question. This is the second one. What is the answer for this? On option A. Okay, we'll see. I think we'll require digits. G is given as 20 and then A is given as 26. You can observe, see, whenever you have got these kind of questions, try to observe what is related to A. From that, it will be very clear. If A is 1, then they have given it in correct order. If A is 26, it means they are given in reverse order. And sometime you will have A5. Such questions also you will find in subsequent questions. Okay. Now if you look at this, it is in the reverse order. The reason why I have written this A, B, C, D is, now you will come to know this A is 26, B is 25, C is 24. In this way, it can be converted into reverse also. M is 14, L is 15, and O is 12, P is 11, Q is 10. In this way, it can be analyzed. That's why the structure of ABCD is like this here. Okay. Now we'll see the question. G20. Since this G and this G is given here, we can know that it is 20. So we are eliminating these two answers. Fine. And then A 26, 26. T. What is the answer for T? T is having 7. So it is 7. Right. And option A is correct here also. Fine. Simple. Not difficult. Only thing is that whenever you get this question, you need to identify what pattern they have used. For that, better observe A. And if you are still not getting, then try to observe nearby letters like A, E. If C is there, D. Observe them. You'll understand what is the number they have used. Okay. We'll go to the next one. Just try to solve this one. If you look at this, as I told, whenever you have got A, just try to analyze that one. A is 5, right? And before doing that one, you just check the number of letters and the number of given digits. If they are same, then only we can do this work. We have got 6 letters here and we have got 6 digits. It means there is a possibility that they are corresponding one. Okay. So if A is 5, and then I told observe this C, the starting alphabet. C is 7 and E is 9. So if you observe this carefully, B will be what? 6, D will be 8. They have actually added plus 5 or plus 4 to this one, to this pattern. To this pattern they have added plus 5, plus 4. That's why you can have the answer here. For A we have got what? 5. This is eliminated. And then observe for I. I is 9. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. So only one option. But we need to analyze since we have got option D here. This is eliminated. Just try to check whether it is correct or not. Yes, option A is correct, I think. You can see for D, D is 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 because this is our plus 4. That's why D will be 8 and they have given D as 8. Right? D as 8. So this is also simple. We'll go for the next question. Okay, these are mixed coding, means in this you will have both digits and alphabet, and you need to identify what is the possible answer for this. Anyone? I'll give you a hint. A, T and R. I got A, T and R, right? And if you observe this number 3, it is corresponding to C, number 15 corresponding to O, right? So you see this one, number C, number 3 is C, number 15 is O. So it is corresponding to these digits, and alternatively they have replaced these numbers to the alphabets. In the same way, this is also given. You will have sometime whenever these questions are a bit difficult, they will give you two hints. Okay, two examples, and you need to find the answer for this one. Okay, what is the answer? Okay, option A. Anybody else? Yeah, I have got option A as answer. We'll see. ROTATE. It is first one is going to be R, so this is eliminated, right? And then T, then again T. So after doing this much, we have got all the options still. This O is 15, so this is eliminated, and this A is 1, and this E is 5. So this is eliminated. Answer is this, right? Okay. See this question. Whenever you have got this, I told you just count the number of letters. We have got 7 letters here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just count the number of symbols. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And after that, if some digits are repeated or some letters are repeated, try to identify whether they are corresponding to the same value or not. I have got yes and yes, and here I have got question mark and question mark. It means yes is a question mark. You see, I have got I also. So I is a exclamation mark. In this way, you need to find the answer of this question. What is the answer? Okay, option A. Renuka says option A. Okay. Then option A. Okay, we will see. Since we know we are able to identify the corresponding symbols for each letter, we have got L I O N. We need to find the corresponding symbols for this L I O N. We can observe this N. This N is corresponding to dollar symbol. Right. So this is dollar symbol. Eliminated, eliminated. Since we have got none of the above, we need to check test for this one. We have got O. What is O corresponding to? This O. It is corresponding to 5 symbol. So I is corresponding to exclamation mark, and then last L is corresponding to, you can see this L. It is corresponding to at symbol. So it is at. So you are right, it is A. Fine. Okay. There are some more different types of questions. You can observe coded statements. Can you tell me the answer? I'll give you 1 minute. Just try to analyze. Otherwise, I'll explain how to solve this question. If you have solved this before, then well and good. Else, you will be learning now. I'll just read the question. In certain code language, do re mi means he is late. Okay. Fa mi la means she is early. So ti do means he leaves soon. Which word in this language means late? You need to find out what is the code word of this late. 46. Okay, you say option C. Fine. We'll check once. Do re mi is coded as he is late. Actually, when you see the first statement, you cannot identify what word is corresponding to which one. Okay. So we'll go for the second one. You need to write second one also. She is early is coded with what? Formula. Right. This is the second one. Just you try to see. I have got is here. I have got is here and here both. And so just identify, is there any word which is common in both of these codes? So you can observe that me is here. So now I have understood that me is corresponding to is. Right. This is the first thing. Then after that, you need to identify so t do. So t do, he leaves soon. You see, in this question we have got he, and here also we have got he. So what is the common code it is used here? It is do and do. So he is what? Do. Since he is do, is me, late is what? Late is Ray. I hope you understood this question. These are bit tricky, but they are simple. You need to analyze all the given statements and try to identify what is the coded value, right? Okay, we'll see a similar question. Just try to solve this one. Use the same method and try to tell me the answer of this question. Just mark the similar words, walk and walk. First and second is saying walk and walk. Try to identify which one is common in the codes. This one, KA and KA. So walk is KA. This is the first one. Then second, third, you find out and tell me the answer. We'll rewrite this. I'll tell you how we will represent it. Sometime it will be a bit confusing whenever you are trying to solve without rewriting it. Go for walk. Okay. And then ma, fo, ka, do not walk. Do not walk. And then the third one is sa, ta, jo, means good for you. As I told, I have got walk here and walk here. In this both common one is this Ka and Ka, right? So walk is Ka, and then next in these both common is okay. In this both we have got for, we have got for. In this both common is Jo and Jo, right? So they have asked what is go. For go, obviously it will be what? Ra, right? Ra is the answer. Yes, Ra is the answer. Go is Ra. Understood? Okay, good. Okay, see, this is a bit tricky question. Let's see who will solve this one. If rain is water, water is road, road is cloud, cloud is sky, sky is sea, and sea is path. Where do aeroplanes fly? Simple question, but can be a bit tricky to be solved. Where do aeroplanes fly? Aeroplanes fly in the sea. Okay, we'll see. Rain is water, water is a road, and then a road is cloud, cloud is sky, and then sky is sea, sea is path. Now if you try to answer this question, where do aeroplanes fly? Aeroplanes fly in the sky, but sky is named something here. Okay, sky is named something. Sky is what? Sea. So the answer is C. That's correct. Sky is what? Sky is sea. See, here it will confuse obviously. Cloud is sky. Now if I ask you how it rains from the cloud, right? So at that time you will write sky. You need to understand this one. Most of the people will get confused here only. Cloud is sky. Sky is what? Sea. Means you are calling sky as sea. You are renaming sky as sea. So the answer is C only. I hope you understood this thing. Okay, fine. Now see this question. In a certain code, 247 means spread red carpet. 256 is dust one carpet. It is also similar to the previous questions that we solved, where we had some coded words. Here we have got this digits. That is the difference. So answer for this is what? You can see 247 spread red carpet, and then 256 is dust one carpet. Just write it clearly. Whenever you are solving the questions, make sure that it is clean, so that you will not get confused when you solve half. Unnecessary waste of time. Now you see, in all the three places, we have got a common word: carpet, carpet, carpet. Right? So that way we'll be able to solve this one. Since we have got carpet here, observe this one. So by this we are able to know that carpet is 2, okay, 2 and 2, and this one is, you can see here I have got 1, here I have got 1. What is the common letter in this both? So 6 and 6. So what is the remaining one here? Dust. This may be bit confusing. If you look at this, we have got red here and red here, but don't worry about this one. They have asked us about the dust, and so from the dust, answer is what? Answer is 5, right? So answer is 5. Fine. Sometimes you may have such confusion, but try to get don't try to think too much on such questions. Okay, since you are asked to dust, just try to find out what is the value for dust. That's all. Okay. Okay, this is today's last question. Can you tell me what is the answer of this question? See, why such questions will be asked is because they will check how good you are in finding the relation between the codes. Okay, the relation between anything that you see. There will be some pattern in most of the cases, and you need to find that one. Okay, I'll give you a hint. This question is based on this question is based on alphabetical series. Alphabetical series. So you check here, Siberia is a cold place, and if you look at the way it is written, A cold is place Siberia. You can observe this S, I, A, the first letters of each word, and this is going to be arranged in alphabetical series. So in this, A will come first, so A is written, and then we have got C, so cold is written, I, is written, P, place is written, yes, Siberia is written. So in this way we are just rearranging it. Now can you tell me what is the answer? So option B. So according to that, you need not see the other cases only. You can just try checking here. C E T P. Here it is going error. So A is not the option. C E O P C T. Actually, this is a single word. I assume percent of the earth. Yes, it is a single word. Don't divide it one. So most probably whatever you have answered B is the correct answer. Okay. So B is correct. This earth covers 10% of. This is having a problem. We have got E here and C here. So this is not the option. So the most suited answer is option B. So B is correct. And if you know there are these kind of coding questions, then you will be able to find the answers faster. Okay. I hope this was helpful.